To change name of the YouTube channel, so you need to go for YouTube firstly. From there, you need to tap on your profile, which is beside the bell icon. After that, you need to tap on view your channel, and from here you could view that channel like this. And if you need to change that name, you need to tap on the profile picture over there, and that will be taking to your page where you could see the channel customization, and here that will be displayed like this. And here you can add a picture, you can change the name, you can change the handle, you can add the description like this. You have multiple options for changing name, handle, and you can do whatever you want. And let's say if you need to change your channel name here, all you need to do is that if you scroll you could find the name below the picture. So from there you need to delete that first name, and let's say I'm tapping myself Mina. And now I can tap on here, and from there I can tap on publish for making that available to all the viewers for changing that. Now if you tap on publish, that will be changed and that will be saved to the YouTube. So that will be appear over YouTube, and you can change your name only twice within the 14 days. Let's say that 14 days, within 14 days you have changed your name twice, and after that you can't change that name here. All you need to do is that you can go to your Google account. From there you can change your channel name. This is how you could change name of your YouTube channel. Thank you.